Everybody out there in YouTube land, today I'm going to show you how to change the belt on a Eureka Airspeed Gold. So the first thing you need to do is remove the 4 screws on the top to get off the top plate. And you pull it up, comes right off. If you look right here, here's our old belt. As you can see, it got stuck, so then it burnt through, and we have to put a new one on. Here we have our new belt. I'm going to pause the video for a second and clean this up before I put on a new belt, and we'll come back after I get it cleaned up and I'll show you how to put on a new belt.
And Barry.
Alright, we are back. I have the bar here and the new belt. So you're going to want to slip the new belt on right here. And it's easier if you do the bar second, so that you can use it for some leverage. Trying to figure out how to line up this part here to pull, and then put it down. So there we go, we got the new belt on. Next, we rescrew the top. Alright, and then you screw that in and tighten it up. And that is how you change the belt on a Eureka Airspeed Gold. I hope this helped you out. In the comments, let me know if it did. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. See you later.